If you're looking for a unique idea for a profitable business, don't miss this video. You've never seen anything like this before.
Tired of subpar gaming headsets that leave you frustrated and disconnected from the action? Look no further. Introducing the Banggood 9000 Stereo Gaming Headset. Designed to deliver immersive sound with its surrounding stereo subwoofer and noise-isolating microphone.
What do you think? According to research, video marketing is the first and best way to advertise. You can create promotional videos and share them on video sharing platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram to promote your product. However, making a promotional video is quite challenging and often requires a lot of equipment. By watching this video, you'll learn how to create your own promotional videos with just a few clicks. In this video, I will talk about one of these AI tools. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to VidAI. With the AI tool Jog.ai, you can turn a URL into engaging video ads in minutes. You only need to follow 3 steps to create AI videos. 1. Enter the URL. 2. Select your preferred avatar. 3. Get the final output. That's how easy it is to create a promotional video. Before I start the tutorial, if you like this style of video, you can like it to get more recommendations. By subscribing to the channel, you can access all my suggested ideas and share them with your friends. First, create an account on the site using your email address. Now let's get to the first step of creating a promotional video. You need to find the URL from websites that sell goods. This AI supports many sites. You can use sites like Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, Shine, eBay, Apple App Store, Google Play, WordPress, Webflow, or any other custom URL. This means you can create your video ads for any product or platform easily. I will create a video with a sample product from Amazon, but you can do this with any site you are active on. Copy the product link and paste it into Jog.ai. After doing this, click the Analyze URL button. Jog.ai will take a moment to process the URL and gather information about the product. When it's done, you'll see all the details it has gathered, including the product name, description, and media files like images and videos. If you want to add additional media files, you can upload them at this stage. Now click the Next button to proceed. In the next step, we need to set the video settings. You can determine the screen size based on the platform you are using for advertising. I'm using the free version and can only choose the 9:16 size. You can set the video duration from 15 to 60 seconds, depending on your preference. You can also specify a target audience for Jog.ai, which will give you better results. After setting everything up, click the Next button. Jog.ai will now generate scripts for us. You can see it generates 4 scripts for 4 different tones and vibes. Now you need to choose one of them. Always select the script that will have the most impact based on your product. After selecting the script, hit the Next button. It will take about 45 seconds to match the templates and avatars, and we will be able to customize them later. You can try different templates and choose various avatars for your advertising video. It's better if the avatar fits your advertisement. Also, use site music for the video. Of course, you can create the video without music and add music according to your taste. This part of the work completely depends on your preference and opinion. You can add other videos and personalize each one separately. In the Editing Media section, you can access all parts of the video script and change its design. At the end, press the Confirm option. Finally, you can output your video by pressing the Render button. I use the free version and can only download 1 video. And here it is, our video draft is ready. Let's take a look. Samantha had always struggled with her wild, frizzy mane that seemed to have a life of its own. One evening, after a particularly rough day battling her untamable locks, she decided to visit her quirky old neighbor, Mrs. Petunia, who was known for her magical green thumb and even greener potions. "Darling, it's not about fighting the frizz. It's about making friends with it," Mrs. Petunia chuckled, handing her a mysterious pink vial. Intrigued, Samantha tried it that night, and to her astonishment, woke up with hair smoother than a cat's purr and shinier than a disco ball. "The secret?" Mrs. Petunia winked. Sometimes all you need is a little Herbal Essences shampoo and conditioner set with rose hips and vitamin E. I believe these are high-quality videos that will definitely boost product sales. With Jog AI, you can create professional video ads like these effortlessly. Now, you might be wondering, is Jog AI free to use? You get 1 free credit to try out the tool, which lets you generate a video up to 1 minute long. It's a great way to test it out. However, if you're serious about producing high-quality promotional videos from product links, consider exploring their membership plans. Right, friends, that's it for our video. Before we go, I'd love to hear about your experiences with generating video ads from product links. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!